Benefits of green tea and ginger. Have you ever tried green tea with ginger? If you have landed here, we're sure you have. Green tea with ginger is a delicious and refreshing beverage that has been enjoyed for centuries in many cultures. This combination of two superfoods not only creates a delicious and flavourful drink, but also offers a variety of health benefits. Green tea is well known for its high concentration of antioxidants, which help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Ginger, on the other hand, has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues, inflammation, and nausea. Together, green tea and ginger create a powerful blend that can boost your immune system, aid in digestion, and even help with weight loss. In this article, we will explore the many benefits of green tea with ginger and how you can incorporate this delicious beverage into your daily routine. Let's start then by talking about the origin of green tea, its properties and its characteristics. What is green tea with ginger? If you wonder what is green tea with ginger, as its name suggests, it is a mixture of herbs very beneficial for our health. Hence, we have opted for this combination in Hummingbird Tea Room. The origin of this popular drink is China, where it began to grow in its origin, the Camellia sinensis plant, although later its cultivation would spread to other lands. In fact, in traditional medicine, and specifically in traditional Chinese medicine, it enjoys great prestige due to its properties and benefits. Properties and benefits of green tea with ginger. Here are some of the properties and benefits of green tea with ginger. Flavour. The combination is really outstanding because the ginger gives a spicy touch and makes the drink feel just as good hot or cold. Antioxidant properties. They get the cells to renew and the organism to cleanse itself. At this point, we also have to talk about the anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce swelling in areas of the abdomen and activate its thermogenic characteristics. Therefore, we can talk about slimming properties or that green tea helps you lose weight. Immune system. It improves thanks to the vitamins and minerals it provides. Improving digestion is another of its benefits, as well as reducing cholesterol levels. So you see that it is another reason why it is perfect to take care of our health. Diuretic and depurative effects. These are those that, in addition to helping us lose weight, also reduce fluid retention. Improved brain function is another of the proven benefits, helping in concentration and memory improvement. Improved oral health, with less chance of cavities and other oral problems. How to make green tea with ginger at home. If you are wondering how to make green tea with ginger at home, let us tell you that the easiest thing to do is to get the one you have in our store. But if you want the recipe for green tea with ginger, below we tell you how to prepare this delicious combination. Ingredients. You will only need 2 ingredients, as the name suggests, green tea and ginger. Of course, you will also need to have water on hand. Preparation. The steps to follow for the preparation of green tea with ginger are as follows. For a litre of water to boil, hot water will be used to infuse the green tea. It is enough to have it on medium heat for 5 minutes and turn it off. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of green tea to the strainer of your teacup. Then add a teaspoon of powdered ginger and let it steep for 5 minutes. Other green tea with ginger recipes. The one we have told you is the simplest preparation, but you also have other green tea recipes with ginger, to which you can add other ingredients such as green tea with ginger and lemon, or green tea with ginger and orange. Some people also add cinnamon. Just add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, turmeric and apple. In addition, it tastes spectacular with the juice of half a lemon. In summary, now that you know how it helps your body to drink a cup or several cups of this delicious healthy drink that combines green tea and ginger, add it to your daily routine to make it your great health ally. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to comment on what other tea topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe. Also, check the description below for a link to our delicious teas.